Hello friends, we'll solve a problem on an influence line. The problem statement is draw the influence line for shear force and bending moment at a section 5 meter from the left hand support of a simply supported beam of span 25 meters. Hence calculate maximum shear force and bending moment at the section due to uniform distributed load of 1 kilonewton per meter 8 meter long. Also find maximum shear force and absolute maximum bending moment anywhere in the beam. So this is the 8 meter long 1 kilonewton per meter UDL crossing simply supported beam of span 25 meter, and the section of interest is C, that is at 5 meter from the left hand support. So first we will calculate the maximum negative shear force. So the red diagram indicates the shear force influence line for shear force at C. So for maximum negative shear force, we have to place the load like this. So the total load is 8 meter length, but the effective length on the beam it is only 5 meter. So the maximum negative shear force will be area of this shaded portion. So that will be half of base is 5 and ordinate is 0.5 into 1. So that is 0.5 kilonewton. For maximum shear positive shear force, we have to place the load like this. So here it is spanning for 8 meter. The load is 1 kilonewton per meter. Section the ordinate is 0.8, and at the starting of the load the ordinate is 0.48. So the maximum positive shear force will be the area of the shaded portion. So you have to find the area of the trapezium with ordinate 0.8, 0.48 at a distance of 8 meters. So the maximum positive shear force will be equal to 0.48 into 8 plus half of 8 into 0.32. How we get 0.32 is 8 minus 0.48. So that is a rectangle, a triangle. So that will be 0.32. So maximum positive shear force will be 5.12 kilonewton. Then calculation of maximum for the bending moment to be maximum at the section. So first you have to find the position of the load, how it should be placed for getting the maximum bending moment. So it can be placed like this. The portion towards left of the section of the load is let us consider it as x, and the distance at the base is 5 meter, and the portion in the remaining part it is 8 minus x, and the base is 20. So here we have to divide the load in the proportion of the bases. So in that context we get x equal to 1.6 meter. So with 1.6 meter, here it is shown like this, and remaining is 6.4 meter. So ordinate at the center will be, or at the section C will be equal to 5 into 20 divided by 25. The ordinate is 4. So the maximum bending moment at 5 meter span from the left hand support, it will be 1.6 divided by 2 into 2.72 plus 4 into intensity of UDL is 1 plus 6.4 divided by 2 into 4 plus 2.72 into UDL. So the total bending moment will be 26.88 kilonewton meter, which is maximum at the section. Then for calculating absolute maximum shear force in the beam, we have to refer influence line diagram for the reaction. So for positive shear force, for the shear force, you have to place the load like this as shown in the figure. So here if you place the load like this, reaction at A will be maximum. So the influence line diagram for calculation of shear force. So here if you have this area of the shaded portion, that will be the maximum shear force. So here the shear force will be equal to 0.68 into 8 into 1 plus half of 0.32, that is 1 minus 0.68, 0.32 into 8 into 1. So the maximum shear force is 6.72 kilonewton. Then absolute maximum bend moment will be at the center, and you have to locate the UDL exactly at the center. So ordinate at the center will be equal to 12.5 into 12.5 divided by 25, that is AB by L. So that works out to 6.25. And if you find the ordinate at the end of the load and at the starting of the load, that will be 4.25. Maximum bend moment will be equal to area of the shaded portion, that is 4.25 into 8 into 1, then plus half of base, that is half of base is 8 into ordinate will be 2, 6.25 minus 4.25, that is 2 into 8 into 1, that is 42 kilonewton meter. Thank you.